find SCF by different methods. So first method is listing common factor. Second one is prime factorization, and third one is division method. So first of all, let's try. The first is listing common factor method. So listing common factor method. So let's take an example, 16 and 24. So first method is listing common factor, means we have to find out the factors, then we will take common. यानी हम पहले factor निकालेंगे और फिर उसमें से common निकालेंगे. जैसे कि first of all for 16. So the factors of 16 are, like as I told you, 1 16 times. So 1 and 16. After 1 2. So 2 8 times. We will write 2 and 8 both. After 2 3, but in table of 3 16 will not come, so we will skip that number. यानी कि 3 की टेबल में 16 नहीं आता, इसलिए हम 3 को skip कर देंगे. Next is 4. So 4 times 16, so we will write 4 and 4. But here we all can see that we have to write one number only one time. यानी एक नंबर को एक बार ही लिखना है. So I'll raise 4 from here because one time it is already written here. So these are the factors of 16. Similarly, let's find out the factors of 24. So start with 1. So 1 24 times, then 2 12 times. So you write here 2 and 12 both. Then after 3, then 3 8 times. So 3 8 times. After that 4, so 4 6 times. After that 5, but 5 in table of 5 24 will not come. So move to next number, that means 6. But 6 is already done here, so we will stop it. That means factors of 16 and 24 are done. So next we have to find out common. When factors are done, then we have to find out common factor. So let's find out the common factor. So as I told you, you have to select that series, that list which has less number of factors. यानी कि आपको वो लिस्ट को पकड़ना है जिसमें लेस नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स दिए या लेस नंबर है. तो आपको खुद दिख रहा होगा जैसे कि इसमें और इसमें किसमें कम फैक्टर है, सबको दिख रहा है कि इसमें है. तो वी विल स्टार्ट टू चेक फ्रॉम दिस लिस्ट. सो वी विल कंपेयर both list that and we will find out the common factors. Like first is 1. So 1 and 1 is common in both, so I will write here 1. After that 16, let's check 16 is given here, no, so skip. Next is 2 is given here, yes, so we circle 2 and write here 2. The next number is 8. Is there 8? Yes, we have 8 here, so let's write here 8. The next is 4, so 4 and 4 and this is also 4. Here fish. Now no need to check other numbers which are given here, right? So we have taken the common factors. Now let's write down the highest factor from these common factors. So highest we all can see, what is 8. So we will write here 8 is the SCF of these two numbers, 16 and 24. So this was the listing common factor method. That means first one. Next one is prime factorization method. Okay, so I am taking the same numbers. As we all know that the SCF of these two numbers is 8. Right now we have calculated. अभी अपने find किया था वो 8 था इन दोनों का SCF. So now we will use another method to find out the SCF of these two numbers. So what, according to this method, what we will do in this? First of all, we will find out the prime factors of both the numbers. So let's start to find out 2 8 times, 2 4 times, 2 2 times and 2 1 time. So as we got here 1, we will stop here. Okay, so prime factorization of 16 is done. Similarly, we will find out for 24, one vertical and one horizontal line, and we will start with first prime number, that is 2. Okay, keep remember we have to use here only prime numbers, right? Now 2 12 times, then 2 6 times, then 2 3 times. Now we cannot divide this 3 by 2, so we will take next prime number. So after 2 what we have, 3. So we will divide this 3 one time. So here also we have got 1, so we will stop here. Now we have to find out the SCF of these two numbers. So let's write for 16. We have 2 into 2 means 1 2 3 4 times 2. So let's write here 4 times 2. Now 24. So 24 we will write 3 times 2 and 1 time 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 and this is 3. So let's take common. Okay, so this is common into say you have to make pair. Okay, अब now this is 2 and this is 3. Okay, which and here both numbers are different, यानी ये दोनों नंबर डिफरेंट है तो हम इनको पेयर नहीं बनाएंगे. Okay, we have to make the pair of same numbers only. So the numbers which are not in pair, so we will leave them. इनको हम ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे. Now to find out the SCF, what we have to do now, we have to focus here that what we are going to do now. From each pair we will write only one number. Okay, just like this is a pair of 2 and 2, but we will write only 1 time 2 from this pair. Done. Next pair is this, so from here also we'll take only one number. So this is also done. This, then after from this pair one more time 2. Done. So these numbers we will not touch, we will leave them. Okay, तो यानी कि अब जैसे कि मैंने 2 हर एक पेयर में से वन नंबर नोट कर लिया. नाउ आई जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई दीज 3 numbers. So 2 into 2 into 2, 2 times 4, 4 2 times 8. So once again the SCF is 8. Okay, but keep remember here it's like you all can understand this thing that here we have the pair of 2, so that's why I have written here 2. This is also pair of 2, 2. This is also pair of 2, that's why I have written here 2. अगर इसकी जगह पर कोई 3 का पेयर होता तो I'll have to write here 3. But right now we don't have the pair, another pair of numbers other than 2, right? So once again the SCF is 2. This was the prime factorization method. So 2 methods are we have understood. The next one is division method. So this is very simple and generally we use this method. We prefer to this method because this is the easiest method according to me. Otherwise it's your choice, you can use any method. Now the last method is division method. So we all know very well how to divide the numbers. Same we have to do in this method also. Okay, so let's take the number 16 and the other number was 24. So always keep remember the smaller number will become divisor and the bigger number will become dividend. So here this is the smaller number 16, so this will become divisor by which we divide, यानी जिससे हम divide करते हैं वो हमारा बन जाएगा 16 divisor, and the bigger number will become dividend. Dividend means जिसका हम divide करते हैं. So you can understand this by 16 and 24. So I hope you all would have understood how to write the given numbers. Okay. आपको क्या करना है? Now simply we will divide this. Okay. So first of all I am doing the first step of this, like 16 one time 16. Okay, and we will left with here 8. So it is done here. Now the point to be noted here that whenever the remainder left is not 0, यानी अगर जो remainder बचता है अगर वो 0 नहीं है, आप फिर से सुन लीजिए कि अगर आपने divide किया और जो remainder बचता है, if that number is not 0, यानी अगर वो 0 नहीं है, then that remainder will become divisor. यानी ये जो remainder था अगर वो 0 नहीं है तो ये बन जाएगा आपका divisor, और लास्ट जो डिवाइजर था आपका यानी इससे पहले जो डिवाइजर क्या था 16, वो आपका बन जाएगा डिविडेंड. सो आई एम राइटिंग हियर वंस अगेन दैट द लास्ट डिवाइजर हैज बिकम डिविडेंड हियर एंड द रिमाइंडर हैज बिकम द डिवाइजर. बस आपको ये समझना है यहाँ पर. नाउ वंस अगेन वी विल फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस एंड स्टार्ट डिवाइडिंग दीस टू नंबर्स. सो 8 2 times 16 and remainder is 0. So as we have got the 0 here, यानी हमें 0 मिल गया. Now this method is done. Now the next thing is that what is HCF here? So HCF is the last divisor. Okay, यानी इस division में जो हमने पूरा process किया है इसमें जो last divisor है, okay, जिससे 0 आया है, that is the HCF. So as we all can see, this is the last divisor. So this is your HCF. So answer is once again 8. So as we have understood that how to find out the HCF by different methods, okay, and by every method answer is same, HCF is 8. So we learned two things from here, that we can find out that HCF by any method of this. Second thing which we have learned that answer will remain same, answer will not get changed, there will be no effect on the answer, either we use this method, this one, or this method. So I hope you all would have understood these all three methods, how to find out the HCF. So at last I would like to say thanks for watching it.